let me unbox this to you in the old fashion of taking this out slowly. Let's get this aside. So what do we have here? We have the device right in front. Since I don't have a camera up here, I'm going to show this to you right in front. So we have the OnePlus 80 itself. I'm not going to open this right now. Let's keep this aside for some time and let's see what the box holds for us. This is the box where you have all the paperwork. Let's keep that aside. Then we have a case by OnePlus itself. It's good that we get a complimentary case by these companies, because if you invest on a phone, you also have to invest on a case because you want to protect it. But until you figure out which case you want to buy, I think this is a great option. And if you see, you have a slight OnePlus settle engraving here. It's very subtle. Once you see it in real, you'll know. Next we have the famous orange charging cable. Then we have the charger itself, which is the power brick, and this is massive. It's the 65 watt massive power brick. It's called the Warp Charge 65 if you want to take a closer look at it. This also has the USB-C output, which is first in OnePlus phones and OnePlus chargers, where you have USB-C to USB-C. Let's come back to the phone. This is your OnePlus 8T. Feels kind of light in the hand at first. I got the silver color because this appealed to me. I like the more minimal side of things. So the aquamarine green was kind of everywhere, and all the reviewers were talking about and buying that phone, that color. So I got the silver one. It has a silverish and a bluish tint. What I have heard is that the aquamarine green has a glossy finish, so there's a lot of chance of fingerprints smudging on them. This is a matte kind of texture, so it won't show many fingerprints on this phone. As you can see, there's a new camera module which is quite large this time. This is the quad camera setup, and you have the volume buttons on your left side, the famous alert slider on the right side with the power button. So everything else looks quite similar to the previous OnePlus phones except for the camera module. And I must tell you, this looks like a flagship phone if you see it in a first glance. So it's nice to hold. It's got a good build to it. So I come from the iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's a huge phone, I'm sure you all know that. But comparing it to that phone, I think this is a little bit narrower. Let's switch it on and see how it looks. The one thing that I noticed here after I switch on is the hole punch camera button that is to the side, so it won't intrude much. Now again, coming from the iPhone 11 Pro Max, it has a huge notch up top and this one doesn't, so I am excited to see how this feels. This is not on any discount right now, but if you have the budget and if you're looking to buy a new OnePlus phone, then this is the latest one. You can go for this, or if you want to spend a little more money, you can go for the 8 Pro. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more coverage on this particular phone and more phones that are going to come in the market. I am excited to test this out and get a review and opinion to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is MFHT signing out.